Hello, good morning, my dear children. It's our first lesson. In this lesson, we are discussing the peculiarities of living things. In the previous class, we have discussed that living things need food, living things grow, living things breathe, and the last one, living things feel. Today, we are discussing living things move. We know that we can move and the birds can fly and animals can run or jump. That we can move one place to another. But in the case of non-living things, they cannot move one place to another by itself. Okay. So here, please listen. All living things move. A crow flies, a dog runs or walks. We too move from one place to another. Plants do not move like animals, but parts of plants show some kind of movement. That means in the case of plants, the plants cannot move one place to another. They can't run, they can't walk, but they shows their movement with their parts. With their parts, some plants shows its movements. For example, a sunflower turns in the direction of a sun. You can watch a sunflower. This flower turns to sun. If the sun is here, the sunflower turns to that direction. So, sunflower turns the direction to the sun. Okay. Then the next one is next page, that is non-living things cannot move on their own. For example, we will have to kick a ball to move it. Yeah, if we want to move a ball, we have to kick it. Otherwise, it will not be moved from to anywhere. So, non-living thing cannot move itself. Then the next one is living things reproduce. For the young ones, living things reproduce. All living things reproduce. You must have seen kittens. Kitten means the baby of a cat. Puppies, the baby of a dog. Chick, the baby of a hen or cock. Then all animals reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Okay. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Human beings give birth to young ones. So, animals, some animals laying eggs and some animals giving birth to young ones. For example, cow giving birth to young ones, hen lay eggs, duck laying eggs, and goat give birth to young ones. Okay. And here, human beings give birth to young ones. We also like that. We are giving birth to young ones, little babies. Yeah. Most plants reproduce seeds from which a new plant grow. That means most of the plants growing from a seed. An apple tree growing in a seed. Here is a seed, then a small plant, again, and it will be a big one. And also a mango tree with seeds. Most plants are like that. But some plants we know that with the parts of some branch we can cultivate a new one. Okay. So here let's recall part is here. That's human-made things and natural things. It's important things in this chapter. We can classify it into human-made things and natural things. Non-living things living things. Human made things, all these human made things are natural, non-living things. At the same time, natural things we can divide into non-living things and living things. And the peculiarities of living things here we can see: need food, grow, breathe, feel, move and reproduce. So it's the first lesson. It's very simple lesson. You can read it. You know that. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.